Hey everybody, my name is Dee, and I just wanted to do a little interview about myself. So let's get started. I would have to say definitely um mm, country living. I don't really like to be living in the mix. I like to be able to visit and go back to my secluded home. I don't like a lot of noise. So definitely I would have to say country living. Okay, so I actually don't like pizza, but if I had to eat pizza, it would be buffalo chicken top pizza. So I can do both. On a typical day, I like to do a stud just because hoops can get in the way. They're pretty annoying sometimes, but if I'm hitting the scene or I want to look super cute, leave it up, definitely a nice hoop. That's kind of hard, but I would have to say I can't live without my, wow, one thing, one thing. Um, I guess my cricket, I guess, or my cricket. Yeah, no, I'm tripping, y'all. My glitter. I can't live without my glitter. I have a true glitter addiction. If y'all know about a meeting I need to go to, but I have a true glitter addiction, so definitely my glitter. On a normal day, a sweat and sneaker, baby. I mean, I can do a little diva up if I need to for a dressing heel, but normally sweats and sneakers. uh, Inserts cricket sounds. Ixnay, I think. That might be made up, but I think. So I used to skate. I actually used to rollerblade and skate, but unfortunately, as I got older, something developed causing my back to hurt, so I no longer skate. Double dutch anytime. Oop, oop, yeah, anytime. I could definitely still throw them legs up to get it a good double dutch round going in. Um, VH1. I don't really watch either currently. I could do a little Netflix, but if I had to choose between the two, definitely VH1. Hold on, Tom, Jerry. Tom is a mouse. Jerry's the cat. I like Tom. If that's the cat, I mean the mouse. I like the mouse. I think that's Tom. Definitely like Tom. He was a little conniving thing, and then Jerry was just. Who is Tom and who is Jerry? Whichever the mouse was, like, we're not going to even judge me for not remembering which one of them had their name. I think Tom might have been the cat. Tomcat. Okay, the mouse was the one running the show, so definitely the mouse. All right. And West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool. I was eating some b-ball outside of. Yo, I said eating. Okay, I'm sorry. It's playing some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys, they were up to no good. Started making trouble in the neighborhood. I got in one little fight. My mom got scared. She said, "You moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said nice, and it had, know what it say? I was for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh, and they had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say that this cab was red, but I thought, nah, forget it. Your home's a Bel Air. I pulled up to a house about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cab, "Your home, smell you later." Looked at my kingdom, I was finally there. To sit on my throne, that's the Prince of Bel Air. Now that's just a little bit of me.